So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Cut Professional. So today we're going to be learn something like short hair butterfly layer haircut as we mentioned in the thumbnails. So today it's a bit different subject we're going to be start because she carried something like below shoulder hair length and is slightly straight and silky, and it's might getting reduced even increase the hair fall as well she having it. So particularly she mentioned for once only for butterfly layer haircuts. So regarding that we just took with short butterfly layer cuts very quickly. So in that sections we're just going to be taking as sections parallelly as you see in the what and all sections we used to take and how to start with the layering each and everything in that. And really if you are new to my channel, please hit the like button and do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So every time I brings to be different subject and every time we learn something new concept of the haircuts. If you're really new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get dive into the haircut properly. So as we see in that crown section and horsey section is got separated and the fringe also is got separated, and ear to ear I'm just going to be taking to the separating sections on that side as well, and back portion also we're just going to separate very sooner, so that it will be make something little bit strategies, something very less length she have in it, the same length she want to carry something butterfly layers with existing length. So that's the things we don't want to be reduce much length at all. On top of that, with just uneven part the bottom length we can just trim it out, and rest of the top of that we just create on the layers. And before that with the back section also we just take to that horsey section crown to with the occipital bone to separate the sections with slightly diagonal forward and diagonal forward. After that is got all the sections are got separated. Now we are going to be explain help out through the comb with all the section, each and one everyone things how we are going to be cut. And finally we start to the one length basic. Very small tinge hair we just going to be trim, and rest of the hair it remains. Top of that we just it is called the graduation haircut. As you can just see, now we're going to be start to the bottom graduation layers. So that will be make something with elevation purposes helpful to the carried as guideline. Vertical thin section. Thin section we just add some like layers. So after that I'm cross check both the sides. And after that I take a small guideline towards the elevation, and rest of the hair going to be separate. After that I release that guideline, and the occipital bone to horseshoe section, the crown portion I released as is which we mentioned. After that we just take to the center profile, and with connecting with that guideline the hair as a guideline, elevating overall the remain hair. So hope you all are guys really understand and enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because every time I brings to be something new concept of different haircut ethics. So for more offline classes tutorial, you want to learn something detailed classes, in the description below we are mentioned the contact details. Please go there and collect the number, contact for us for more details after regarding courses. So one side is got finished and cross checked as well, and after that I'll come to another side, the same stationary guideline the previous side, and just rest of they are going to be as discarding layering. So that will be consistently will carry forward with both the sides with something like horseshoe sections we just took, and the bottom portion also it will be going to create the layers, and rest of the hair it will be let it be remain on it. the last section is going to be finished, and after that come to the side portion. So before the layering, giving to that one line basic. To that, I pick from stationery guideline from the back, and rest up they are going to be merging in the layers. As it is, we are carry forward on the rest of there as a layers, and after that I'm cross checking, and finally I'll come to another side. After that, its one line basic is finished, and pick from the stationery guideline from the back. The rest of the hair as it is, carrying the as layering. After that, I'm cross checking. So finally we're going to be release the horseshoe section, and before that is slightly it got wet in the hair because it's bit of dry, and just the sections we just make with something even purpose the next wet. And after that, exactly center of the crown pick as a guideline and connecting as all the hair in layers. So however, we just elevating on the top of the head, it will going to be gradually reduce on the top length in converting and merging in the layers. So ensure whenever you butterfly layers, these are the basic rules which can be going to be carry forward up to the layering techniques, and which can be remain the bottom, overall the length will remain, and top that the crown to horseshoe sections, and each and every hair it will be going to be reduced, shorten up. So same thing we carrying forward step by step. After that, I'm cross checking. Finally, we release the fringe section. By step, we're going to be converting in there as curtain banks with small section. It will be parallelly. She want a gradual short to long the curtain bank she expected. After that, I'm just merging in the rest of the hair in layers. After that, I come to another side with the same trick. I'm just going to follow. On this side. Curtain bands also got finished. So before we're going to do the styling, I'm just showing her to the messy hair layers. So after that, I'm just some messy blow dry I'm showing on the hair. So finally we start the blow dry step by step. On this side. So with the blow dry we're finishing very faster, and after that we're just going to be start the texture finishing, and final finishing also it comes to the side portion also is going to be finished faster. And I come to another side too. So finally we come to the crown portion of the center of the crown, and just we're going to finish on the blow dry complete of the hair. And finally we come to the fringe portion, which is going to be finished on the blow dry. So here is the final finishing up to the butterfly layers for a short hair as we mentioned, and this is a complete outlook up to the butterfly layers, and it's looking very awesome and bouncy finishing after the haircut. This is what we done the complete of the cut. So hope you all are like the video and you really enjoyed the video, I feel. So if you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because every time I bring such content with each and every one to learn categories, purpose and all. So in the front portion you can just see it looking clearly, it's nice and bounce finishing. It comes to the layers was flowing like more volumetric. So this is our techniques which we are done with a butterfly layer haircut. So that can be makes overall the change up to the look, and that will be making something like ambience changer. And after that I'm just going to be showing to the front portion also, and then towards the mirror of my client, and she was also very much happy. And finally we start to the texture finishing, and after texture it will be cut will going to be finished overall. The ensure after the haircut texture will be mandatory for a haircut which can be carried forward and looks clean and neater and long lasting as well. So that is the basic things we has to be follow the technique after the haircuts which can be long lasting more on the layers. So after that I come to on this side, both the sides also is going to be finishing on the texture, and the center section I'm just going to be finished. The last one section is got pending, and almost is done that too. So after that this is a final finishing on the butterfly layers. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. We'll be meet up to the next concept up to the new technique after the haircut video. Until take care and be safe.